Hey guys, today I'll be giving you a roadmap to how you can register a sole trader company in UK. Well, registering as a sole trader in the UK involves a few straightforward steps. But first, let's understand who's a sole trader. A sole trader is a self-employed person who owns all of their business. Meaning, a sole trader is someone who works for themselves and owns their own business entirely. They're in charge of everything and keep all the profits after paying expenses, but they're also responsible for any debts or losses the business may have. Now let's move to how you can register as a sole trader. Sole traders must register with HM Revenue and Customs. There are 3 ways you can do this. First, complete the online form via HMRC. Secondly, print off the form and fill it in and send it to the address on the form. And then last, telephone HMRC on their number. And after doing so, you'll need to provide some additional information to process further. You'll need to supply information such as national insurance number, your name, date of birth, postal address, telephone number, email address, name of business, what type of work you do, and start date. And in case if you don't have an NI number, you can apply for one from Job Center Plus. And in case if you have an NI number but you can't find it, you'll need to go online and fill in form CAF 5403. Register as soon as you can after starting your business. At the latest, you should register by 5 October in your business's second tax year. For example, if you start working as a sole trader between April 2024 to April 2025, you should register before 5 October 2024. If you register later than this, you won't get a penalty as long as you send your self-assessment tax return and pay your bill on time. Registering as a sole trader is free. You don't have to pay anything to officially start your own business as a sole trader. So I believe that's enough for you to register as a sole trader. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.